years ago, 35. This used to be the old Doak house.
They just moved the house part up at first.
Yeah.
And then they built all onto
It belonged
Did they
to,
move it?
it belonged to like one of the founders of Doaktown. Late 1700s, early 1800s. So they brought it up here and they spent, well, back then it was $1 million, so now that would be about 10 million. And
well, they spent it to the highways.
So
Not you.
this is supposed to be a town attraction that you can go in and visit,
Oh my goodness.
but it's closed a lot, and the woman that runs it has like 100,000 porcelain dolls in there. And I actually helped put some flooring down in that house.
You have to.
And
You have to.
I went into a yard sale that they had in there.
Oh my God.
and there's the
Like 40 of those porcelain.
that's what they have for a guard. They have a guard cat right there. He takes care of all the trespassers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So, and